Every year in Maitrivanam, it's a government building. Almost around 20-25 security guards will be there. Security guards, sweepers, helpers, and so on. All those people, they took a small notebook. They are visiting every institute for Dasra Chanda. Chanda name in English? Donation. Donation, huh? Some, okay. Dasra, sir, we required. Festival came, right? Can you please give some amount like all? Then they approached me. I saw the notebook. Every institute people, 200, 300, 500, something like the people are giving. Then I asked, how many members are there? Like almost around 20 plus members are there. Sir. Like these 200, 300 rupees, how you are going to share? All institute money we will collect. All the whatever there in the Maitravanam, we will collect and we can share equally, sir. Like how much you will get? See, how much you will get? Very less, sir. Like then okay, do one thing. Tomorrow morning, can you please come? All the people at 11 until 1 o'clock I will be here only. Please come. Like I told. Then all the 20 members came. What I did is, in a cover, just I kept 1,000 rupees in every cover. Then I gave for everyone. I gave for everyone. Just one by one, and so on. So, there are multiple people who cried by hugging me. Sir, we never saw a person, okay, who is giving the importance, this type of treatment we never saw. But just a security guard or for plumber, like for sweepers, like really, sir. Like there are 2 or 3 members cried, man. Now observe, if I go down in the Maitrivanam building, the employees, they may not wish their boss, they are always going to wish. Durga sir, good morning. Durga sir, namaste. Of course, I'm not just, I helped because of, by expecting this type of things. No. Observe carefully. Start giving importance for the opposite person. Then the things are going to be changed like anything, man. They are telling, sir, today 2 students came for training. We redirected to DURGASOFT, sir. They are telling very proudly, I did a great favor for you, sir. Like they are cheering their experience. Okay, they are telling, sir, today the people ask, Liftwala is there. Liftwala is always using the word, sir, Durga sir is the God for me. Durga sir is the God for me. Observe the words. Remember carefully. Start giving importance for the opposite person. Then the total things are going to be changed.